Uh, Hi, can you go through your profile?
Hi, this is Suresh. Currently, I am working as assistant database administrator in Database Infotech. My higher education is B Pharmacy from JNTU, Kakinada. We have a nuclear family, and my father name is Gangadhar Ramarao, and my mother name is Varalakshmi, and my wife name is Devi, and we have one baby boy. Coming to my daily routine activities. Actually, I am a L2 level. I am supporting L2 level in data well in product. As per whenever we join to the shift, we check that all the tasks regarding in our shift. What are the shift? What are the tasks we have scheduled, and we have shared with our teammates. Which task we have performed like that. And apart from that, we have checked that the mailbox regarding that any important any urgent task regarding through the mail communication. Apart from we have on mailing ticket services we are providing to our client. We are working on the service now based ticketing tool. And apart from that, what are the tickets generated through the service now? We are working against with that with solutions. Apart from that, somehow we are working against mails regarding that what are the client's requirements, and we have support the 24/7 support to the clients. We have most of the we have for the party clients. We have support the party clients, and we have 1500 production servers and 500 development servers and 500 test servers. Yeah, this is our daily routine basis.
Okay. So what is the maximum database size that you have supported in all these years?
2.5 TB.
2.5 TB.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the maximum size that can grow for the log file?
Uh, can you please come again?
What is the maximum size that that much of size that can grow for the log file?
1 or 2. I have faced 1 or 2 GB.
Not 2 GB.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, what are the high availability solutions that you worked on?
I am working on that high availability like always on mirroring, replication,
Mm-hmm.
and log shipping.
Okay.
Yeah.
So may I know what is the log shipping architecture?
Yeah, this is one of the higher disaster recovery method we are using in our environment. In that log shipping, we have minimum 2 services there. In that one on the primary server, second one is secondary server. Like that, we have also called a second replica also. In that log shipping procedure, so what are the changes made in what are the changes are captured to the log backup, and this log backup taken from that primary server, and it was stored into the secondary server, restored on secondary server.
Okay.
It is mainly key okay, what is in this log shipping the main key is the log backup from primary server, it was restored into the secondary server. It is the
Okay.
main key.
Mm. So I have configured log shipping between two servers.
Okay.
Okay. So how many jobs it is going to get create?
4 jobs is created.
What
One
are
of the
they?
that is a log backup job, log copy job, and the restore job, and one then LS alert job.
Alert job.
Yeah.
Where this alert job is going to get create?
Yeah, actually we are using that in that witness server also we need to use. We need to that job order in witness server also or again and second server also.
That's okay. But
Yeah.
I'm not using the witness server here. I'm using
Yes.
only primary and secondary
Yeah, second server.
in the secondary server.
Yeah.
Okay. Then the block backup job got failed. Okay. Due to some
Okay.
X and Y and reasons. So
Okay.
then how you are going to get alert?
We are using that Service now we are installed in our client.
Okay, that's okay. Then what
Yeah.
is the use of creating alert job in secondary?
Whenever the log backup job is failed means the copy job also failed and the restore job also failed.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then we have to get alert in advance, right? For log backup job got also fail. We need to
Yeah.
get advance, right?
Right.
Then
Within the 15 minutes, we are within the 15 minutes, the copy job is not succeeding means we can get rise alert from the LS alert job. Apart from that, we have that in client environment our own alerting system also there.
okay. So you are using your own ticketing. May I know what is the monitoring tool that you are using?
Tech boost.
Tech Post. Okay.
Uh,
Like okay. And how many modes that we can configure in secondary database in log shipping?
Standby mode and read only mode.
So what is the difference between these two?
The standby mode in the standby mode we need to use for most of that in log shipping also.
Okay.
And in that uh, so exactly I don't know what is the terminology.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I think you have worked on log work mirroring, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So how many modes we have in the mirroring?
How many
No.
more? You mean that?
Modes. How many
No,
modes? Modes.
principal server and mirroring server is there.
Modes. Configuration modes. Like synchronous commit mode like that. Okay.
Synchronous. Yeah,
Leave it.
sorry.
How you are going to do the failover in mirroring?
Yeah, actually I am failure with that GUI.
Okay.
We are selecting that database and now we are going with the properties. In the property it was showing that mirroring. Apart from there we can failure option is there.
Okay.
So we have failure that
Sir,
database.
okay, I understood. Let's
Yeah.
assume that I am having 10 databases in
Okay.
principal server.
Okay.
Okay. So you said that you are going to failover by right clicking the database, go to the mirror properties and you are selecting the failover option.
Yes.
Right.
Right.
So,
Yeah.
but if I want to do failover for 10 databases,
Okay.
then how you are going to do that?
Mm, my best practice is that manual failure. I did not use any PowerShell like that only. I have whatever the database I have only through manual only through GUI. I am
Okay,
till now.
that's okay. I think see this answer is okay for the who have completed like 2-3 years of experience. Okay, but
Okay.
you are having more than 5, right?
Right.
Okay, then so when we are joining as an experienced person, okay, so
Okay.
what are the experience that we carried, right? Using that experience, we need to execute the task.
Okay.
Okay, so then how I'm having right now 10. So 10 is a very small number. You said that you are going to right click and do the failover. So
Right.
what about the number will get increased?
Right.
For each and every database we know we are not going to right click that, right?
Right.
Then, okay. What is the port number that mirroring use?
Sorry, I don't know. Till
Okay,
now I configure that
okay,
mirroring.
okay. What is the default timeout in the mirroring? Okay. So what are the prerequisites that we need to have for to configure mirroring?
Yeah, we have that a minimum 3 services required for that
Okay,
person and witness server.
okay.
Yeah.
So
They
you
that
mean to say like without witness server you cannot configure mirroring?
but no without witness server. My as per my knowledge, without witness server, it was mm, not
Okay, let's assume that you have
yeah.
configured these three principal, witness, and mirror. Okay.
Okay.
Witness server and mirror server, principal server. You have 3 servers. You have configured monitoring,
Yeah.
mirroring. Okay. So suddenly something witness server got crashed.
Yes, right.
Okay, what will happen?
That the what is the communication between the principal and the mirroring server is break and
Okay.
yeah.
So that will break. So what are the consequences?
Whenever that conflict, they both are acting as primaries.
Both will have the primary.
Yes.
Sure.
Yeah, sure. Why? Because why the witness server is used means principal and the mirroring server are servers are send that hardness to the that witness server
Mm-hmm.
based upon that what is the server we have acting as mirror principal and what are the server it was acting as mirroring. Whenever the hardness breaking through from which server is not received by that hardness to
Mm-hmm.
the witness server. One of the mirror server that mirroring server acting as a primary as a principal server. So
Okay.
in that case, we don't receive that hardness to that another witness server crash. As witness server did not receive any hardness from that principal and mirror. Then what other penalty are acting? There's no assume that that mirroring server also acting as that principal server.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you mean to say like you have configured 3 servers and witness was down like after the crashing with third party. So both
Yeah.
will act as a primary.
Yes. Right.
That is what you are saying, right?
Right.
Okay. Uh, okay. What about the partner mirror server went down?
Why there is no issues about that. Why because we have the base my what I saying the main activity happened on only principal server only.
Okay.
So after mirror server up what are the log changes are keep are kept in that principal server whenever the mirroring server up that all the logs are transferred to the mirror server and the students mirroring database.
Okay. So what are the states that we have in mirroring database status? Okay. So whenever the database fail over, like the status are right, like synchronizing, synchronized.
Uh,
So like that, what we have?
Principal synchronized and mirror synchronizing.
Okay.
Yeah,
So apart from that, apart from these two,
sorry.
okay. Okay. What are the? We have 4 replications, right? In which replication mostly you work on?
Mostly we worked on that always on. After that we have worked on log sequence. And
No, no. In the replication I'm talking about.
replication also we have, but
Okay.
I don't have that much knowledge on that replication.
Okay. You mean to say like if we give a chance,
Yeah.
okay, to configure transaction replication, will you able to do that?
Yeah, I will learn and I will be able to do that.
Okay.
Yeah. With,
Can you explain me how you are going to do that then?
so just now I don't have knowledge about that. How
Okay. You
when
mean
of
to
the
say
task.
if we give arbitrary after taking some time, you are able to do that, right? Okay. Can you explain me like what are the toughest questions that you face in always on? Hello?
Oh yeah.
Yes. What is the toughest question that you face?
Whenever that most of that two T 1 TB about databases whenever that configuration always on, it will more that take time for that synchronizing from primary and secondary.
Okay.
At that time, the business also impact, and from that we have faced that most issues regarding that. We are performing at off business hours, but due to the huge database size, it will impact some impact happen on business hours also. At
Mm-hmm.
that time we have faced some tough situation from that client side.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. So what are the prerequisites that we need to configure always on?
Actually, we have that minimum two servers for primary and secondary. Both the servers have same configuration levels, same OS level configurations, and that disk size also we have say we need to adjust as per that disk size are the same, and that in between we need to increase it based upon the database size also. The disk size is also
Okay.
increase.
What is the prerequisite that we need from database end?
Yeah, right. That prerequisite means we will check with that what are the database size and the database growth pattern also. Apart from that, we need to adjust that disk level spaces. We need to eliminate the
We
disk
are
level spaces.
having sufficient disk spaces, Suresh. Yes, space is not required, not much required. So what are the qualifications that database should be there to add that to the part of the always on?
Yeah, how you are saying that how we can add that or what is that?
What is the qualification that I need? Can I add, or let's rephrase the question for you.
Okay,
I'm having a database with simple recovery model.
okay.
Okay. Can I add that database into always on?
No, it must be a full recovery model.
Okay. The database is in full recovery model.
Okay.
Sorry. Can I add the database into into always on without taking full
No,
backup?
no. As per prerequisite, so we need to take full
Okay.
backup prior
Then
to adding to
these
that
are the two
automation.
prerequisites, right?
Right. Yeah.
Okay.
Understood.
What are the backup preferences that we had in for always on?
Yeah, we have the backup preferences and most of them are involved using that 50% of primary and secondary. Whereas the
Mm-hmm.
primary replica is engaged with our businesses, where it will automatically shift to the secondary replica for backup preferences.
Okay.
Yeah.
How you are going to like manage like the how you SQL server knows there is a like much workload so that that backup should be take on the second replica.
Whereas the databases are not available,
Okay.
not available for
Not
that.
available means
What are the uh, uh, what are some activities like insert, delete, update? What are the activities at the time of database will engage with our clients' queries
okay.
or client
Obviously,
business
database
activities?
should
Mm.
I mean queries should come to the databases. Okay.
Okay.
Obviously, so, see database should be in use and see queries always in use.
Yeah.
Then at that time,
So that's how it will happen. The most of the whenever the huge updates are happened on databases means the database are engaged with updates and that most of the CPU resources are also used by that activities.
okay.
And that in between we have performed that backup activities means it will impact on that database server performance and database activities also. That's why at that time the backup will change it to the secondary replica. In second replica, there is no activities.
Okay.
Yeah.
So about you, you said that what are the settings that you are going to use in your environment. So
Yeah.
now, like, what are the options, other options that are available in for backup preferences?
Yeah. Primary and the secondary replica also, and we and another option was in 50-50 chances based upon that server
Okay.
activity. Database activity.
So what is the meaning of read intent?
Read indent. Sorry, I have no idea about that.
Okay. Uh, what is the read only routing list?
No, exact idea I don't.
Okay. Like that's okay. Have you configured like Holmgren backups?
Yeah, I have performed. I have configured that.
Okay. Okay. And like what is mean by cluster index? Hello?
Yeah, that index. Cluster index.
What is the difference between heap,
Yeah,
cluster index, non-cluster index, covering index?
cluster. Exact idea I don't have.
Okay. So what is mean by statistics in SQL Server?
Mm, sorry.
Okay. How do you know that the statistics are not having up to date?
Based upon that, based upon that, I think what I'm saying, due to that static updates that the database performance is low, and
Okay.
uh, that what I'm saying exact what I forgot that fragmentation level is high means that update statistics are not up to date, and the fragmentation level is high. That it will the quarries are taking that too much longer time as against as its own time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's okay. My question is very straight and simple. How do you know that like my statistics were not updated, up to date? Okay.
Yeah.
How you are going to find out? Okay, these table the statistics are not up to date, so let's update these table statistics like that.
Exact I don't know.
Okay. So uh, in database properties, we have an option called auto create statistics is equal to on.
Okay.
Okay, what does it mean?
Whenever that updates happen on that, the statistics also perform against that for that capturing update.
Can you repeat?
Whenever that updates are happen in the database where whenever that case auto stats are on auto stats are on means that index of that databases are updated to against
Okay,
yeah,
okay. Well, like what is like rebuild and reorganize?
reorganized
Yeah,
exact idea. I don't think.
okay. So if I do rebuild the index, will
Okay.
statistics will get updated or not?
No, after that we need to update the stats.
Sure.
Sure.
Yeah. Oh, if blocking happens, okay, blocking is continuously happening, okay.
Okay.
So what is your next course of action?
We need to where, for from where that blocking has happened.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's assume that it was happening from the report server.
Okay.
Okay, then what could be your next course of action? Some report queries or blocking some other
Okay.
queries. Okay. The
Okay.
lead blocker is reporting, some other queries. Okay.
Okay.
So then,
Mm, in that case, we need to check with our team also. And that in that victim, first we need to check that the victim block or which was.
okay,
If the victim block and it other maintenance jobs means we need to stop maintenance jobs. And after completion of activity, to
okay.
start the job.
Let's assume that, like, what are the best practices that
Okay.
you follow to avoid the deadlocks or blockings?
Okay.
What are the best practices that you may follow?
Yeah, we have followed our daily maintenance job. Maintenance jobs are scheduled in offline hours, business offline hours.
Okay,
From our side, from data, from our DBA, we have followed the best. This is the best we have. Apart from that, we have to ask for that the client. For regular, we have monitored that regularly it will happen and timely the same time daily blockers are created on same time means again we need to check with our client for the whether the blockings are happen frequently from these activities. So we need to reschedule your activities again as for avoiding that blockings like that we have discussed with our clients.
okay. Let's
Yeah.
assume that we
Okay.
on Sunday, okay,
Okay.
backup has to get complete. Okay.
Okay.
So now full backup is run, differential backup is also I have to run. Okay. So
Okay.
meanwhile, differential backup is running at the same time, but it has to get complete in half an hour, but it is
Okay.
taking more than 1 hour. So by that time, full job got started, full backup
Okay.
job, and it has been blocked by the differential backup job.
Okay.
Okay, then what you are going to do? You got a blocking ticket saying that differential backup job is blocking the full backup job.
Okay.
Then what you are going to do then?
We need to stop the differential backup job.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, I agree with you. For some
Okay.
reason, I agree with you. Okay, so let's
Okay.
assume that it will happening every Saturday,
Okay.
every Sunday or Saturday it is happening. So
Okay.
every time you are going to stop the differential backup job, or you are going to some automate something kind of that.
Yeah, we need to reschedule that differential backup job.
So apart from reschedule, is there anything else?
So what is that difference scheduling time of differential backup job?
Okay.
And
So
what is the
okay, let's assume that
interval time?
every day, okay,
Okay.
yeah, it is running. Okay, every day night at 12 o'clock, the full backup job is running for differential backup job. Every week, it is going to run. Every 1 hour, the log backup job is run. Then
Okay.
if you said that scheduling is going to run, then how you
Okay.
are going to schedule then?
Every day it was every day it was scheduled at 12 a.m.
Yeah,
Okay. The log backup is 1 hour interval.
yeah.
Yeah, right. What is the full backup job need to
Every Sunday 12 a.m. Then how you are going to adjust the schedules?
we need to stop that differential backup job on Sunday.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you stop the differential backup job,
Sunday, Sunday we need to adjust that differential backup job on Sunday and 11 p.m.
okay, you mean to say you need to less at 11 a.m. Okay.
Okay.
So I don't feel that that was the acceptable. Let's assume that you proposed this solution to customer, but customer don't like this solution. So like, is there any other alternative solution that you are going to propose to customer?
Yeah, we need to edit that full backup, reset that full backup job also. Why
Okay.
we taking full backup job? There is an
Full backup job is main important job, right? It's a base for
yeah,
everything. Okay, then.
yeah. So that's why we are taking that how much time it will take that defense full backup job regularly.
Okay.
Apart from that, we will adjust that at a full backup job time, schedule time.
Okay. Mm, that's okay. Like, did you got a chance to use any like DTA database tuning advisor?
No, I think not on that. Chance.
Okay. So, have you configured any extended events?
Um,
Okay. Okay. Like, how you are going to retrieve the blocking history?
sorry.
So, blocking is happened. Okay.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
how you are going to retrieve that information?
Yeah, we got that blocking information from we deadlock information, blocking information.
Blocking information.
Actually, in our tool, there was created by capture. In our tool, we will capture the blocking detail, event details, and
Okay.
it will put our Excel sheet.
Okay. Okay. Let's jump to another question. So,
Okay.
someone did failover in always on.
Okay.
Okay. How do you came to know which person has done failover?
And we will check with the always on events.
Okay.
Always on, so we will check with that.
Okay. So, Suresh, so we had almost half an hour plus like in duration, right? Time interview. Okay. So, how much you are going to rate yourself? Okay, from out of 10. On the scale of 10, how much you are
Okay.
going to give to yourself only on the conversation what we had happened, no, no, okay, between us.
5.
5.
Yeah.
Okay. So still you are like you are, I mean 5 points more than you, okay.
Yeah.
So you still need some kind of improvement, okay. Uh, if we give opportunity, will you able to cover that?
Yeah, sure. I will cover that.
Yeah, okay, that's good spirit to hear from you. Okay, Suresh, we will get back to you then, okay.